My name is Joshua Kantawi, and I'm an intern pastor of KC Seventh-day Adventist Church.
That means Joshua. What's your last name?
Kantawi.
Kantawi.
Yeah.
No. Okay, but apusra Tomana sa mata matola kesi bamnuhota opo opaleri tinyayiba.
It's a pleasure to be here at Werribee Karen Seventh-day Adventist Church.
No, had diwa pay hoda takuroma.
I want to share a message because I'm not really familiar with the Karen culture.
No, ye edo heli da so taka basa na kia paganyo alu la hoda ta tinya tinyaba.
But looking at the research, I just found how wonderful the Karen culture is and how Christianity was introduced to the Karen people.
No, the ta koplo ta tinya ba khone ta le khu kwa la internet uda ta tinya ta pha ba ganyo gi la cho la ba ganyo ta khu so hati la ba ganyo o le kle di le again.
The main point of my message is that we should share Jesus.
No, huta gi mo pa la ta do hin no kholo da phe pa kwa de ho ta gi mo pa mi na la pa ka ba te ba pa ga li su khri ge.
Before I go into my message, I want to talk about what I'm wearing.
No, ta kle la ka se le su nya wa ne na ta ke da te bya ti la ta chi ka be ge.
I believe it's called the Karen.
Yen na la chi ka be wa ko ba ganyo chi ka me ya.
I was looking forward to this sermon because I wanted to be immersed in the Karen culture.
No, ôi giờ ta happy de, hôm nay ta hello bà cái nhóc lao qua thế đó, plu ta bà cái nhóc lại giờ bà cái nhóc đã gào mà nó.
Because I believe that culture should be shared.
Nó bám đủ hồi lại vậy nãy là lư pa la này cái ta là bậc hết nó khó là đọc bà gào.
And wearing the clothing and listening to the music helps me to say that yes, we are to share each other's cultures, but importantly, to share Jesus.
No, hôm nay ta happy de ta cả bà cái nhóc chỉ cả gì hết, cái na de bà cái nhóc ta giải quyết gì, hôm nay ta nãy là bà cái lư la này bà cái bà hết nó khó là hết molu pa la nó, ta sẽ ta la này bà hết nó khó nó là啥, ulo này này phao hôm nay là bà hết nó là啥này, mình đã cái say chịu cream mà.
And also, if we were gonna teach the kids, it's good to share the chocolate, not to keep it to yourself.
Nào, hôm nay bên mình cái hệ solo ba là bảo đi vô sao hơn này, và cái ba hệ cái thế là cái ba hệ là nó là gì mà, tụi mình thấy là bà là cái cháu của bà.
Wonderful. So today's message is titled "From Waiting to Sharing."
Ta cái mua qua là ta đòi hết nó khó là tên như vậy này, aku tao mi vậy đó, là ốc khó này, từ họ là hết tế bào bà gam.
And this is where I will share with you the research I've done, and also how and the messages we can learn from the Karen culture and how Jesus was introduced to the Karen people.
No, ta là ta khu tế nhà nó bác hà là bà cái hết nó khó nó là vậy đó, ta khu so cái nó là cho ra là bà cái hết nó khó lo ra đi lệ nó, bà cái nhóc lao này ta khu so này hết từ đi lệ gây sức này.
So, the gospel is for every language.
Ta khu so vậy ta khu so này nó là bà qua để là clock để go.
So, in Revelation 14, chapter 6, it says, "Then I saw another angel flying in the midst of heaven, having the everlasting gospel to preach to those who dwell on the earth, to every nation, tribe, tongue, and people."
Nó là phá có thể lui sau bữa khu này, yết cái lũ gà yueda thọ cái lệ là cái lịch là, ở đó ta cái sọ thui yo ba khát ta khu sọ là bộ ba thế nhà về supa ô la khô khờ tập ha supa cố cái lư đệ và cố đu cố thơ đệ và cái tổ klo la đó thi cố đệ ở ô ni lo.
I want you to notice that it says to every nation, tribe, tongue, and people.
Nó ta lấy cái đó là từ cái bà supa ta khane lý do gì tu ta tổ này supa cố cái lư đệ và cố đu đệ đó klo la đó thi cố đệ ở ô.
God's word is not limited to one culture, but this is for everyone.
ก็ใส่อยากลือทานเนี่ยโคเนี่ยไม่ว่าละปะโกดุโกกลือเดะอากอนแต่ไม่เทละปะเทตะกลอกอากอนเทนี่ปะ
So the good news is no one gets left behind in God's kingdom.
โอนี่ตาละปะบ้าสาคือเราหัวเนี่ยเนาะมาแต่กาว่าไหนละก็กับบ้าตาปะต่อเนี่ยตัวนอดูอ่ะมันเนาะ
The next verse is Romans chapter 15, verse 4. For whatever things were written before were written for our learning, that we, through the patience and comfort of the scriptures, we might have hope.
เนาะแล้วรู้ไหมเขาจะซีเย่เซอร์พูลุยเนี่ยตาโกมิเดะแล้วตาเกวตาซอชีปูเนี่ยบ้าตาเกวออแล้วตาก็โซโลกว่าอวดีโตปะโกโอดอตามือลาครอบโลตาเกวอัสะซอชีอัตาเฮปวาตาตุสุตาสุดอตาเฮริเฮบาอโคนี่หรอ
So, the Bible that you have digitally or physically is very important.
เนาะลิซอชีเนี่ยว่าก็โอละฟอนบูโอละคอมพิวเตอร์บูเมเกก็โอละลีบูเมเกเนี่ยไม่ตาละเรโดละ
The Bible helps us to learn, it gives us patience and comfort and also hope.
เนาะตาละลิซอชีมาเซวาเนี่ยเฮว่าตาสิญญาอุลาเนมาเซวาละตัวละวาละตาวิตาสุตะกะเดวันเนี่ยไม่ตาละอามามือเท่าภาษาดอเฮว่าตามือลานี่หรอ
The Bible was written for us, just as a love letter addressed to your lover.
เนาะเดี๋ยวต่อละลิปเรละปักเวเนี่ยปัตตาต่อตัวนี้ลิซอชีเนี่ยบัตตาเวสุปเวดากว่าเดอโอนี่ละ
Amen. I want to talk about a story in the Bible where there was a people waiting for the Bible or waiting for the book.
เนาะအခုနေစားတော့တဲ့နော်ဝဲလဲလဆရှိဘူးပါအိုဒူလာအိုခေါ်ဝဲတာတာခုဆိုအိုခေါ်ဝဲကစားရအလီနေ
I want to introduce you to King Josiah.
နော်တဲ့တော့တဲ့ပြစီပါခါလဲပါတဒူလဲစောပါရကလာမီလဲစောယူရှိယာ
There was a time when the book of God was lost.
အစကတော့အိုဝဲတဘလောအပူကွီနေလဲလဆရှိနေပတဲမှာလဲလောမဝဲ
It was not destroyed, but forgotten.
လောမနေတမေလာဟာဝဒတိုလာနော်တဘေးပါရီတမေပါတနာကိနေခေါ်ဖလာဝါတဖလာနော်ရကဝါတပါဆိုင်ပနော်ဝဲခို
In 2 Kings chapter 22, verse 8, briefly, it talks about that they found the book of law.
နော်ဖေးနေမေကွာလာအဝဲခီစောပါခီစီခီစောဖို့ခေါ်နေအဝဲတိဝဒတာဆောအလီဒီဘေလက်တိကလတာလူစောရှိအလောက်ဘူးနေ
So, one of the assistants of King Josiah brought the Bible or brought the book to King Josiah and read the book that was found.
နော်တိမေလာစောပါယူရှိယာအပလဲတကာနော်လာချော့ထွဲမှာကျေချောပါနေတိဝလေဒီဘေနော်လက်ချောဝဒလီဆူစောပါအို
So from a forgotten book, they discovered the book, which was great news.
နော်လေဒီဘေလဘတာသာပင်နော်ဘေနေဒီလဝသိကတိဝဒမေဝလေဒီဘေလဟေဝသိတာကဆောလာရီဒိုနေမနော်
After discovering the Bible or the book, he started tearing his clothes.
ဒီမေလာခါဘာလီဆိုရှိဒီဘေဒါလီဆိုဤတေဝဒါဆိုပါယူရှိရနေအဖောလာချေကာ
He was convicted by the words of the book because it touched his heart.
ဘာမနူအဖောချေကာလေခေါ်လီဒီဘေလာဖာဘာဝနေတတ်ခေါ်ဘာသာဒိုဒိုကလေနီလာ
From this forgotten book, they discovered that the way they were doing things did not align with God.
နော်ဒီမေလာဖာဘာလီဘေတော့စညာကွာလာကေတာမှုနော်စညာလာကလဲလာဝသိလေဝဒတမလာဝသိမဝနေတဘလောဝအစတော့ယူကလဲနေပါ
Later on, King Josiah wanted to reform his people.
တော့လဲခီနေလော်ခီနေစောပါယူရှိရနေဝကလဆဝလာကကေမသောရကေမ mà chú đó kêu là thi bộ có phố ta su ta nã này là
He wanted to make a promise to God and wanted the people to be also make a promise to God.
nó anh nói cái sao đó vấn đề ở đó mà sau đó kêu là ta ở lò đó cái sao vậy cái sao đó vấn đề cả mà này ở đó sẽ gọi là thi bộ có phố thế đó này cái mà sau đó sẽ gọi là ta ở lò này là
So going back to the title there, are people waiting for a book?
nó bên mấy kỳ đó là bắt tay khu to là miêu đó qua tất cả là ốc họ lì bê
It was lost,
lì
then
bê là lò
found,
mà đó bắt tay cái chi này kìa
and caused reformation or transformation within people.
đó lì bê là cái chi này cái này mình lì bê là đồ mũ đó cái đó hết đó cái đó ta sudah nãy là so là qua tất cả là clan này là
And this story reminds me of the Karen people.
nó pu là lý do chỉ pu play này được thế nó ra là bằng nhau pu mà nó bằng nhau ta sẽ tiếp
Because the Karen people, from my research, I believe that they are a people waiting for the book.
nó lý do chỉ này đi đâu bằng nhau ta khơi pu lúc bắt tiếp nhau lớp lửa số này vì bắt tiếp là ốc họ về lì bê
According to the Joshua Project, this is this was the belief of the Karen people.
là Joshua project và Kripota hồ ta ghé ta khá mi là và có Joshua project này cái tổ ba bằng nhau cái đi
Regarding Christianity, revival broke out among the Sagor Karen almost as soon as the gospel reached them, as the message was long considered the fulfillment of their long-held belief that God would one day send white brothers with a book that their ancestors had lost.
vậy là ta muốn nói cái đó là bà cái nhau là cho là bà cái nhau sòng cái này nó hẹp bớt rồi thì khó là ta cứ ra tiền là này vậy ta muốn nói cái đó là sao đó ô rồi bám nuôi là này ta suy ra là ô bà chơi đó là cái sai hiệu này cái chơi là vậy đã bù đề qua là cái chọn này cái lì thu lì chế lì ba hiệu này ô khó bà chơi vậy khó lì mà nó
Based on this, we can see that back then when the Karen people, they already knew what was missing or what was lost.
Hôm nay là bằng nhau ta sẽ test vụ đó là này, bắt đầu là nhà thế phải này, thế nhà đó, vậy là ta làm mà này, ô tô mì mà nó.
And beautifully, they would receive the Bible.
Đó là ta lo là apu này, vậy ta là làm mà cái này cái chi này cái vậy đó, là bắt thế nhà là lịch sử này là.
But it was quite the progress. It took time for the Bible to be translated in Sagor.
Đó là lịch sử đó cái đó vào là bằng nhau sang close sẽ gọi đó, vậy ta sẽ cái đó thì tạo sẽ gọi là.
This is a book called the Karen Apostle.
Thế này pa lì bê này, à, khốt to miêu ra, pa cái nhau tam po.
And this was written by Francis Mason in 1847.
Nó pa quay lì cái gạo này mình là Francis Mason, là từ cái thuốc hội à, lúc chín nuôi này quay lì bê.
He was a missionary that wanted to share Jesus to the Karen people.
Nó kêu đó pa số ta cứ so từ gà, nó là bù quý là đó so ta cứ so là bằng nhau hoặc là này.
And I wanted to discover the direct reference to the belief of receiving the lost book by white foreigners.
No, you want to know?
Oh, yeah, that's the translation.
Okay.
I wanted to find the direct source about their belief. Yeah.
Hôm nay có là phải mình gọi là pa tế bằng nhau pu hay này ghi là phá với là Joshua Project cái này hôm nay, ở đó thì nhà pu hay này có thì có bộ này ô hay ra lệ mi à nó hôm nay về lệ khu đó là lệ để bị pu mà nó.
And this is the reference about the belief of receiving the words of God and it being by white foreigners.
Nào vậy này cái bằng nhau cha sudah nãy là cái saya lưu cái thằng này cái he vậy đó là còn là qua cái chọn này họ này mà.
Reading the top section, you can see that they were excited when they were talking about the white foreigners.
Nó tiêu với bằng nhau này, về na hua về còn là qua cái này, để thi con này ta tu bổ sa hoàn hay ô thao mà.
This is what they sang.
na phe ne ta la wa the si te we ma tu me la thi we ko la wa he de li de be ni
The sons of God, the white foreigners, obtained the words of God.
ya da yua pho khwa le a me ko la wa le ne he adun ni ma we ke sa ya lu tha
The white foreigners, the children of God, obtained the words of God anciently.
na ko la wa le me yua pho yua li ne dun ni we ke sa ya lu thai lep le ni
We shouldn't really focus on the ethnicity of the people delivering the Bible.
no ai da ko ne pata gi mo ba ta me la ba ba kwa the ko la wa o kwa tho la ko la wa le ya ni ta me ma ta da khu so ne wa he cho ne ke he la ke lu ga de ti lo na
The focus should be on the forgotten book that was rediscovered by the Karen people.
no ata gi mo pa la pu ple ne ko ne le de be la ba nya ja da le thu li che be ne le la lo ma de be ne o he ga la pa yo da ke thi ne ga da ko da
From the Christian missionaries, we learn that the Bible is meant to be shared for everyone.
no ho ne la pa mi pa so da khu so ho pu de de pa ya pa ko ne ma lo ne o te la ta da khu so ne pa ka ba he no kho la wa su pa ko ku lu de o ne la
And as the missionaries got to learn more about the Karen people and the culture, they started developing the Bible in their language.
na ti me la pa so da khu so bo de pa ne he blo da ba nyok la a tho da we de sa tho do da we da li so shi la ba nyok lo ni la
And later on, the missionary Francis Mason had the honor of translating the Bible into Sogor Karen. The New Testament was printed in 1843, followed by the full Bible in 1853.
na ho ne li so shi ne we de klo ti we da su pa ka nyo klo ne na a kho the me la tho da ka tru ne la bo ba ra lo da la ka tho kho ya lu shi the na lo ki ni ti chi da ne li so shi do de be lo li da tho khela ne bo de ba ta bo ba ra lo ni lo
It's so wonderful to see people that want to share Jesus with everyone.
na pa na hu wa la pa ka nyo wa la su chu da ge le do te Yesu Christ da he no lo Yesu Christ su pa ga o ne me ta la de tho ge da ba su ba sa ma
And what we can learn from this,
na ta ma lo la pa ma lo ne o ne
the Bible isn't just supposed to be translated to another language.
no le so shi ne na ka klo thi o su klo ga yo ya ne ta ka de ba ne
The Bible is supposed to be understood in your own language and understood from your culture.
no ko na klo thi o na la ta ga la klo da ka wa ne ta ga la klo ne pa ka na pa da hi kha wa da le so shi ta me ta to de phan la pa ka cha da wa ta se ta la da pa lu pa la a pu mo na
It's not forcing people to move to another culture.
no ko ya pa tu lo le so shi ti kho da pa ka ba pa to we pa ta se ta la khela di ni ha ta me ba
The good news is supposed to be understood by you and your heart.
na ta ta khu so ta so la mu kho ne na le so shi ne me ta la pa ka ba na pa do hi ne la pa sa ki pu
As we can see, the Karen people were seekers of God.
a ho ne ta gi ta klo de pa phla da la pa ka nyo ka le ne me pa la alu hu tu hu ywa
They were waiting to hear the good news in their language.
no o kho da la ta khu so ne ke he tu ho la we the o ne la we the klo da we
And wonderfully, the Sogor Bible in your phones and digitally came true, that the gospel was translated into your language.
no do de ti la pa pha ba ga nyok lo le so shi la ba ga nyok lo ne o la pa form o la le bu mi na pa phla da we da la ka sa ya lu tha la ta te chu de phan le ro pwe tha we da ne lo
So once they were able to understand the Bible, it transformed them just like King Josiah.
no di so la le so shi ne so ta le do de mu ro ge tha we da so pa yu shi ya so ne a we de o do se ko ta mu ro ge tha la pa ga nyok la ne lo
And now, before we close off, we're going to talk about what we do from here.
နော်အခုနေတလည်းပကဘာပကတဲ့ကောဟနေthe pay the sunya ne me paka ba sema da dile sele da dile ne paka te ko che
So the current people were waiting for the Bible.
no kwa ka nyo ne apu kwi ne po o kho le so shi ke ti la po
Now they received the Bible.
do khe ri pa do ne ba li
Now it's our mission to share the Bible.
a ho ne kho pro le pa do ne ba li ho ne me we da pa mu da le paka ba so we da ta khu so su kwa ga o ni la
If we don't share our culture, we cannot understand each other.
no pa me te he no lo da la pa ta se ta la ba do pa na pa lo da de se ba ma no
If I don't share my chocolate, I get a tummy ache.
no am da le ye chocolate o bo pha do ne ye mi o da ga la da ye ba ka cha mi na ho ne ne ye mi he no da ga che che da ye ba ha ba cha no da ga ba ni
Just like culture and treats,
no di do la ta se ta la do awe ta ja lo chocolate to ne
the Bible is to be shared.
no pa ka ba he no we li sa shi di da la ba he no la da ta ja lo to ni la
So how can we share the Bible today?
na si kwa ho ne pa ka he no la da la do li sa shi ne he no di le
I was thinking about the word tell.
no ye do te du la tak do phu ko pla la klo wa klo ne tell
So I'm going to explore tell in English. I know that it might not align with Sagor, but I hope that the words help you to understand.
no awe ta hai de ke klo wa klo mo na awe ne pe me klo thi la pa ka nyok klo de a si a lo de awe ta ke te la ta lo ta wa ba ta na ke a da ye na la ta ka so la mo pa de pa ka na pa mo na
We are to treasure the word.
na ta ke to kho the phla la me we thi phla ne me we ta ke to la klo wa klo ne treasure na khom ya ne pa lu pa pui na pa ka ba pa lu pa pui we li so shi
In Psalms 119, verse 11,
na pe me kwa la le si top tra ta ka ya de si khui so bo ta ne
your word I have hidden in my heart that I might not sin against you.
si top tra ta ka ya de si khui so pho de si ta ne si wa da ye pa pho na lu tha le ye ta ki bu di so ye tu ta ma ka ma na te ri lo
So the important thing is to treasure or value the Bible.
na ta ri mo a ri do kho the kha ne pa ka ba pa lu pa pu we li so shi le pa ta ki bu
The level you value your Bible determines how serious you are in taking care of it.
na ta pa lu pa pu li so shi ne ado thele ne na ka che te wa la li so shi ne ka hu ga ya thele ne lo
If you don't value the Bible, you won't treasure it.
na me ta pa lu pa pu ya ba do ta me la na ka hu ga ya ba
If you see the Bible as the most important thing in your life, you will take care of it.
na me thi li so shi la ke we le be na ta kha la a ri do da lu pu do ta len ta mu mu do na ka ma na ka I thwe kwa thwe a ge ni lo
So let's treasure the word.
a hu ne mo pa ka pa lu pa pu we ka sa ya lu thai ni ki
Next, we have to experience the word.
no ta ka to la ki la me I phai ne klo wa klo ne ke da experience ne a khom ya me da pa le ba po o mu ba mo no
It's like immersing yourself in the Bible.
no ko ya pa pha li so shi ne pha yo ka ba ne pa ka pha la pa ka phu nu pa ta lu li so shi pu bu
If you go to the pool, it's not dipping your feet on the water.
no pa me tho to la pa le la pa le po ti ne ta me la pa le chi la pa kho na de bo ja ne de me ba
You're diving into the water.
no ta ko wa ta to experience de kho ya ne ka phu la la thi kla ne blo do da ga ne
You get immersed with the water.
no thi ne ba cho na do da ga kho ti la kho
Jeremiah 15, verse 16 says,
no Jeremiah the si yes of the khu si we
Your words were found, and I ate them, and your word was to me the joy and rejoicing of my heart.
နော်ယေရမယတစီရဲ့စပုစီခုနေစီဝဲနကတူတေတာတော်ယာနကတူတေတာတော်ယာယဒိုကနာနတကတူကိုထီတယ်နေလောယွာသေတာလကဆာယွာယဘခဒနာတတတော်နတကတူတဖမပွဲယသဒေါ်တသခုဒေါ်တာသူပိစာညောနေလော
We have physical food that feeds our body,
နော်တာအော်လနော်ကိုနေပဟီအော်တော့ဟေပါနကိုကြီးပါ
and we have the Bible, which is our spiritual food.
လေစောရှိလာအမေကဆိုင်လူထိုင်မေဝနာနော်စာတာအော်နေလား
And wonderfully, like the taste of chocolate the first time you eat it, it's the Bible every day as well.
နော်ဒီစောလပအော်ချောကလက်နေအဝိလပတာကိုဆိုနေလေစောရှိနေပအော်တော့ဝိဒီကဘာဝိဒီနေမနော်
Next, we have to live the word.
နော်တာကတိုလခီဖလကလဝကလောနေ L လာအထောနေမေဝနာ leave ဟောနေခမောအိုမူ
James chapter 1, verse 22 says,
နော်ယာကိုကိုတဆဖိုခီစီဝဲ
But be doers of the word, and not hearers only, deceiving yourselves.
ယာကိုဟိုတဆဖိုခီစီခီနေတဘာလောလောသုသာခေါပလိုထဲလတဒိုကနာတကလူထာဝနေဒီမေအိုမူမာထွဲတကလူထာဤဒီကေ
You can have all the theory, but it might not translate into the practical.
နော်လေစာရှိနပေါ်လခုနိုဘူးနပေါ်လခုသာခီဘူးလဲနေဘယ်ကဲလာကေရတာသေးဒေါ်လာနပေါ်လာတော့အမှုပေါ်ထွဲပါနေကေရတာသေးမနော်
It's like reading the instructions of baking a cake.
နော်ပမေဖာလေစာရှိတော့ဘတော့အမှုပေါ်ထွဲပါနေလောကဒီဒေါ်လာပဖာဝဲဘတ်တေကိုဒီလေတန်နေကလေလီကီနေ
But do you get the cake from doing nothing about it?
နော်အဲ့ဒါပဖာပတေကိုလီလားပဖာယောလားပတေဝါနေတတိကွာနေဘကကာ
No, you can't have the cake just by knowing it. You have to make the cake practically.
နော်အခုနေပဖာပတေကိုလီတာဟိစနေကလေလီဘီနေနော်ပဖာတော့ပတိုရိုစီကလည်းပကိုနိုဘူးလားနော်နာကေပတေနော်ဘလောပါမင်းနော်မင်းဒီနေဟာပကတဲ့လာဖလောဟိုဒေါ်ယူလာမရနော်
And lastly, we have to lead others to the word.
နော်အလောခိကတဲ့ L လောခိတဲ့ဖနေအထောနေမြေဝနာလီနေခမျောရှောနော်ရှောပါကစုကဆာယကလူတာအို
Humans are social creatures.
တလပါကညောနေပကေဝတာသာသမူလပကဘာဥရတာရေလသာတော့ပါဥပါကမနော်
We want to connect with people and share our experiences.
နော်ပကေရဝကညေတမေလာပဲတော့အိုသူယူတကားရနေမေပါနော်အဘလောနေပဝဲတာကောဒါခနဲ့ပလောဘာသမူသကောလပကေတော့တေပြလာသာတဂီတက်လို့ဟင်းနော်ခေါ်လာသာတန်နေ
And the greatest thing that we can share is how Jesus, the story of Jesus, and how he helps us.
နော်တလပဟေနော်လတော့ပွားကသေဒုတ်တနေတေဘပွားကလာကဆယကလိထိုင်နေအချောတလဲပတောက်မှုဒီလဲနေမေဝတလပတေောပဒုတ်တမ်
I'll be reading a paraphrase version of Matthew 28, verses 19 to 20.
နော်မသေကိုခီစီခေါ်စဘတ်စီခွီခီစီနေပတဖာခဲလကကြောပါပကတဲလာအဖျာအတူကောက်လာမနော်တေဖူလာ
Go therefore and make disciples of all the nations, baptizing them.
နော်လီစကြလက်တနေခိုလေစုပါကလူခဲလာအိုလတာလောကိုပူတဲ့ဒေါ်ဒူကဲရဝဲသေးလေးပလေယဘောတကေ
Notice that it says all.
နော်မေပါစုပါစာနေတဲ့တာခဲလ
It doesn't say a singular race, or it doesn't say Karen or Filipino.
နော်တေဝဲထဲလေစုပါကညောဘာတမေထဲလေစုပါဖိလစ်ပီနိုဘာ
The word is for everyone.
နော်ကဆယကလူထာနေလောက်ပါကောကနေကောကလူတဲ့ဟော
Next is verse 20.
နော်လက်ကီချောနဲ့ဆဘခိချီ
teaching them to observe all things that I have commanded you.
ดอโซโลโซโลเวสิเลตากระตูนี่ดอมาถวยตาและยมาลุติซึโกมินเดนี่ตะเก
There are many lessons that the Bible teaches us.
နော်လီဆိုရှိဘူးနေတာမာလိုတာဆလိုနေအိုဒေါဒူ
And one that I can think of is hope.
နော်တာလဲလီဆိုရှိဆိုလိုဝဲဒိုတခါလီတိုနော်နေနေမေဝဒတာမင်လာ
This world is getting chaotic with the wars that are happening.
နော်ပမေကွာလာကိုကလတဘေတတာကဆောနေပါဖလာဝလာဟောခုတ်ဘေလပိုအိနေတာသဘီသဘူတာဘီဘူချေသနေအိုဝါတရီ
And the question is, what do you do with all this fear?
အခုနေတာသီကွာလာခီတချောဟနေတာပလီတာဖတာဘယဘဘောလာအိုလပစာကီဘူရိနေပကဘာမာဒီလေ
If the Bible is your foundation of life,
နော်လီဆိုရှိမေခောတခါလာနဆူရန်တာမူလာဖခုဒ
then you will learn that you can give your stress, fears, and worry to God.
နော်လီဆိုရှိမေနတာမူခောတခါတော့တာပလီတာဖလာအိုရနာနေနကဟီနော်နကဟီခေါ်ဝရနကအာလဝရနတာပလီတာဖတဲ့ဖာနခဲလကဆာယအစုဘူးနေလား
And that He is always there with you.
တော့တာလလီဆိုရှိအလဝရခါနေဟောနေကဆာယနေကိုအိုတော့ပါထောက်မို့လား
This is powerful, and this should encourage us to share the Bible so they can experience how to overcome the chaos of the world.
နော်အခုနေထဲတာချုံမို့ခါလလီဆိုရှိနေဟေပွာမာစပွာလဟိကေပတာပီတာဖုသေးတော့ဟေဝတာမင်လာသေအခုနေကရမေဝတာခါလအထုတ်ရပစုပစာလပကေဟိနော်လဝတာတာကစောခိုင်စူပါကအိုဒီသောပွာသေးဖာစစ်ကောကပလဘဝတာတာလနပလဘတော့ကဒုန်နေဘဝတာမင်လာဒီနဒုန်နေဘဆိုနေလား
So, let's tell everyone about Jesus.
အခုနေမောပကလေတော့တဲပြပပွားကိုရတယ်လကဆာယေရှုခရစ်ကိနေကေ
And to tell people about Jesus,
နော်ပကတဲဘပွားကလေယေရှုခရစ်ကိနေ
we need to treasure the Word,
အခုထေကတဲ့ခါနေပကပပါလူပပွေဝဲကဆာယကလူသာ
experience the Word,
ပါလူပပွေတကရပါနေပကအုံမူပေါ်ထွဲဘဝရကဆာယကလူသာ
live the Word,
နော်တော့ခေါင်းနေပလဘတော့တကရပါနေပကအုံမူတော့မထွဲဝဲစစ်ကောကဆာယကလူသာနေ
and lead others to the Word.
နော်မထွဲဝီတော့ပကရှောဝဲပွားကစုကဆာယကလူသာဦးနေလော
God promised His Word would reach every people. He prepared the Quran to receive it. Now He calls them to share it.
နော်ယူအားအလောအကလူသာစုပွားကညောတကလူတော့ပွားကညောတကလူဒုန်နေမဝဒယူအားအတာအလောလာအကလူထိုင်နေပွားကညောဒုန်နေမဝဒလီit's one
Oh, that's one together, yeah.
yeah okay
Yep, you can say the whole thing.
okay အလောနေအလောခိတဲ့နေဒုန်နေပါလီခိုနေယူအားကောကဒါကဝဲပွားလဲပကဟင်းနော်လောဝဒလီဒီဘဲလဲပဒုန်နေပါနေစုပွားကဦးနေလော
God has given you His Word so others can know Him. Will you choose to share it with someone?
နော်ယူအားဟိနာအကလူသာလီနော်ဟိနာအကလူသာတဲ့ဆိုလဲနေကသိညာကောနေယူအားဟိနာလီနော်တသီကွာနေကလူသာနဒုနေပါနေမင်းကခူထလဲနေကဟေနော်လောစုပါကအိုစစ်ကွာ
It was wonderful getting to know more about the Karen culture in my research.
နော်ယကဘာဟေဖေဒယခုသေးပါညာပါကညောကေကလွေတော့မေတ္တာလာမှာသုခုသာခုရ
And it was great to hear that they were always seeking for something.
နော်မေတ္တာသာခုစေကောလာပါကညောလက်သိညာပါလာပါကညောအမေပွာလာအခုသူခုယ
And that's something that fulfilled that fulfilled their questions or fulfilled their what was lost.
နော်တာခါလာအလောမမေနော်တာခါတာစီကွာလာအိုလာဝသက်သာကီဘူးနော် ดอเอาไว้ที่คือเวดอที่ในวดาแล้วก็ใส่ลึกไทยปู
That was Jesus and the Bible.
เนาะตาคาลามาป่วยเราเอาไว้ที่ตาละหลอมมาค่ะในไม่วดายิชูคริเลยลิซาชิปูนี่แล้ว
And it was wonderful to hear that it was translated into Sagor.
เนาะลิซาชิบัตากลุที่สุบกันยอกหลอเนี่ยไม่ตากระสอละมือค่ะ
And the mission of God's church is that everyone gets to hear about Jesus.
เนาะปะแกอยู่ตาพูดเนี่ยปมุงดาไม่วดาเดี๋ยวต่อเลยอยู่ลึกไทยเนี่ยก็เลยตัวเวสุปะก็เดี๋ยวเนี่ยไม่วดาปมุงดาเนี่ยหรอ
This is an image of Ellen G. White's with the movie Tell the World.
เนาะพี่ตากอดไปเล่นที่เนี่ยนะตากอมูแล้วว่ามันนึกพอดูเท่าไหร่ได้นะไม่ว่าได้เอลจีไวท์เอเนาะตากอมูคู่ต่อเนี่ยเดี๋ยวได้แต่ว่าเขาคู่ดอดไป
And she affirms that the mission is for everyone to get to know about Jesus.
เนาะตากอมูตากีมูปวาแล้วดอยแล้วปากก็เดี๋ยวก็สิ่งอย่างเนี่ยเนาะมิสซิสวานเนี่ยเดี๋ยวได้ปากบ้าสวยตาคือสวยสุปากก็เดี๋ยวสู้เขาคู่ดอดไปอย่าง
The important thing is you don't need to rely, you don't need to always focus on the movements that happened in the past.
เนาะเขาอย่างนี้ปากเกล้าบากรีพอเนี่ยแต่ไม่ใช่แล้วปากกว่าได้ตาละปุกุยแล้วปามาตีเวเล่ๆบ่า
You can start the movement by how Jesus affects you.
เนาะปะผาได้ปารือบากโลนี่แต่ไม่ว่าเนาะตาละปามาตีสิก่อนเนี่ยปากเดออุดรสกตาหูตาเกตามูนอกกันแล้วปากละเนาะแล้วยิสุคริสต์มาแล้วปากสตาร์เวตามูบุเนี่ยปัสสาวะมาตาตีสิก่อนนี่เนาะ
Today and forevermore,
มุดนี้เนาะข้าสุญญาเนี่ย
you can be that person who can lead people to Jesus and lead them to transform their life.
เนาะมุดนี้เนาะข้าสุญญาเนี่ยนับปาลอนนาตาแล้วนึกเกล้าปาระกาแล้วก็เชื่อปากาสุคริโอเนาะก็เชื่อเวปากาที่เราครีเนี่ยก็ข้อตะเล่เดมูเลยเท่าเวว่าที่ตาอมูเนี่ยเนี่ยคือเธอแล้วนึกเกล้าปาระกาเนี่ยตีเวนี่เนาะ
This photo was in the context of old America.
ตามูคาเดนไม่กว่าเดบักอาร์กิลก็อเมริกาเนาะ
But what if we can make it Karen?
ตาสิก็เนี่ยตามูนอกกันแล้วเกล้าอเมริกาแล้วปุกุนี่ตีหยาบแล้วแล้วพวกปากกันยอกลาบไปเมดโอดอเคซีเนี่ยที่ชั่วโมงนี้เลย
You can be the one in your own culture or whatever culture you come from that can share the Bible uniquely because you've been grown up in the culture.
เนาะนั่นไม่แก้ปาระกาเนาะแล้วปากกันยอกลาเนาะแก้ปาละสอยตาคือสอดโอเราตามูเราเกทอเดสอละตามูพมือกันเนี่ยตัวโลเวมิสซิสวามาได้ละก็จากอส่วนเนี่ยเว้ไปมิกไปเกดเดสอมิสซิสวามาเวเกดเวเซนี่ไปเกดเซนี่ดึกชั่วโมงดีเลยมัน
So the Karen people were waiting for the book.
ปากกันยอโปขอเล
They received the book,
เลดีเฮติกโปลี
and now it's time to share the book.
อะเคคนเนี่ยเกวตาเซกตอละปากเฮนอลอกได้เวลีเบสุปากาโอนี่ละ
Let us tell the world about Jesus.
เอาคนมอปากเลดอเตบาเขาดอเบลยิสุคริรินิเก
That is the end of my sermon. And tablu, tablu, you are so gay.
เนาะตาเบลอย่าโชคดีก่อนเด้